Hi everyone, a quick short information about your gut health. So if you think that gut health you can accomplish and have just because of taking probiotics, and not every single probiotic is created equal, you're very mistaken. It's not only about probiotics. I think I will slowly share little pieces of information what's in a gut health, but also like walking. This is the one thing that when you do walking, like little activity, physical activity, it helps your gut as well. So like early morning with the early sun, walking, it's not only for your gut health, it's also for your hormones health. And your hormones build in your gut too. So it's like vicious cycle. If you waste one, the other will be broken. If you only think about one, the other is gonna repair as well. So they say, oh my gosh, I forgot a word, but it is very connected with each other. That's why I love walking and I do it daily. Do it. Fit it into your day schedule because you can.